Yungi, I hope there is no doubt left. Everything is crystal clear. June, Jin, but I have a doubt. Yungi, what Hyang? Jin, what if it's a fault tip then? Yungi, Hobi, I agree with Jin Hyang. Maybe it's a plan of our rival to divert our attention from upcoming mission. Yungi, it's not a false trip. I got this information by my secret messenger. All his tips are correct. We can't take this it lightly. Whatever it's true or not, we have to fully alert. Jin, calm down, Yungi. It's the time to use your brain, not emotions. Emotions doesn't suit on mafias. Be confident. Yungi, I can't hang. First you are my hang, then mafia. I can't let anything happen to you. Jin, oh shut up, Yungi. It's not like that. If I will step outside of this room, then I will welcome by bullets or someone blast me on me. Hoping June, Yungi, Yang, stop saying nonsense. Jin, okay, I won't say anything. Stop giving me these eyes. You know na, I'm so scared from your these dangerous mafia's eyes. Held his ears by his hands. See, I held my ears too. Do you want me to sit-ups? Okay, about to do sit-ups, but all of them pulled him in a tight hug. Hobi, Yang, stop cracking jokes. It's really very crucial situation. After mom and dad's death, you raised us. We can't lose you. June, we will never let you get any scratch. Yungi, if you dare to say this, then I will let June to go in your precious kitchen. Jin, no ways, this man, June, isn't allowed to go inside my precious kitchen. My precious kitchen isn't safe in his presence. Hopi smiled a little. Then don't say this. Jin, listen, babies. Life and death is in our hands. Along with our birth, the day, time, and reason of our death are fixed, which can't be changed by doing anything. If my time will come, then you can't protect me. If not, then no matter what happened, nothing will happen to me. Mom and dad left big responsibilities on my shoulders, which completed. You all are settled in your life and take the decision of your life. I completed my each and every responsibility very well. Mom and dad must be proud on me. Women are still young and naughty. Take care of them. Enjoy this moment. Don't waste it in to worry about future and about these threats. Then don't forget we are mafias. It's a profession. Poor rivals always taste the defeat from us. Now what do you want? Can't they get happy by planning and plotting? We are enough capable to give them befitting reply. Understand? Now leave me and focus on your work. Yungi, we are already focused. June, I already tied the security of our house. Hobby, but women, they are still outside and totally unaware of our real professions. Jin, now it's the time to tell them the truth. Yungi, but Yang, they are still 16. Haven't we decided that we will tell them the truth when they will become 20? Jin, but now the situation isn't in our hands. Their questions are increasing. I don't want they find the truth by somewhere else. We should talk with them and tell whole truth. With us, their lives are also in dangerous. June, I think Yang is right. Till now, nobody knows that we are brothers. Only your and Jin Yang's brother's identity revealed, and that too because of situation demanded. But we can't take our rivals lightly. They are also mafias. Hobby, then let's go home. We have to pick women too. They are in his friend's house for group studies. Jungi, group studies and women. It can't be possible. They must be in parting. There is no far relationship between studies and women. They are like North and South Pole. Jin, shut up, Yungi. What enmity have you from my babies? Why do you always ready to blame them? They are so innocent and hardworking. June, just like Yang said, there is no far relationship between innocence and them. But yeah, they are very hardworking. They work so hard to create problems and naughtiness. I can bet that no one else can be more naughty than them. Hobby, this is your misconception, June. All the children are naughty. You never handle anyone except women, so you think only they are naughty. June, I don't want to handle any kid. They are so annoying. Jin, you can continue in car too. My babies must be waiting for us. So, shall we go? Everyone, let's go. Name Kim Shok Jin, code name RJ, age 30 years, profession managing director of his own company and hidden mafia boss. He is the boss, everyone listen to him. Takes all the decisions, sweet but scary too. Nobody dares to go against him. Sometimes is scared from Yoongi's anger. Name Kim Yoongi, code name Augustine, age 28 years, profession Mafia King. Everyone listens to him, but he listens only. Jin takes all the decision of Mafia work, always scary. Nobody dares to go against him. Worst anger issue, don't know when to stop. Easily hyper when it comes to his family. Overprotective for his family. Name Kim Ho-shuk, code name Sunshine, age 26 years, profession dance teacher and hidden sharpshooter. Listens to everyone, says only when it needed, keeps an eye on women. Always sweet, expert in handling crucial situation without panic. Take care of women in absence of Jin. Try to maintain family's atmosphere cheerful. Name Kim Namjoon, code name RM, age 25 years, profession hacker and mastermind. Planned all the strategies and plans. Without his approval, none of work can start. Keeps his eyes on everything. Expert in handling crucial situation and find a solution in seconds. Annoyed from women's naughtiness, doesn't trust on anyone except his family. Name Kim Jimin, nickname Minnie, age 16 years, profession high school student, cute, lovely, humble and sensible, soul of the house, hates when everyone tease him for his height, root of all the problems, throws thousands of tantrums in eating food. Name Kim Taeyang, nickname TT, age 16 years, twin of Jimin, profession high school student, cute, loving, dramatic, crackheads, soul of the house, certified troublemaker, root of all the troubles, throws thousands of tantrums in eating food, loves to tease Jimin for his eyes, height, expert in fake crying. They are the Kim family. It's not a normal family, it's the family of crackheads. Women are totally unaware of their Yang's profession. Their dad was a mafia and mom was businesswoman. Brothers needs Jin So Yoongi became the king. Others joined them later. Their rivals wants to break Yoongi. For that, they wants to kill Jin because they know how much Yoongi loves him. For that, they plan to do something big, but Yoongi got this news by his messenger, and all the brothers prepared for this. Right now, they all are heading back to their home. They were in big 6 bulletproof seater car. They picked women from the friend's house. Women planned a drinking prank for that. They were acting like drunkards and irritating hangs. Yungi was driving and Hobie was sitting beside him. Rest of them sitting on back seats. T. Drunken voice. Today I will fly the car. Give me handle, Hyang. Hobie smiled. Titi, it's a car, not plane. Whom you can fly. It runs on road, not in the sky. Jimin, so what? We can fly it in the sky too. We will attach fan in it. Yungi, only you can fly by that car. You don't need any car. You can fly by kite too. Jimin, really? Yungi, really? If you want, then I can show you demo. I will hang you outside of the car and drive. Come, give me your hand. Jimin gave him his hand. Oti! Hobie, Minnie, he will throw you outside of the car. Jimin yanked his hand. Minnie, Uni. T kept irritating June. Didi has more muscles than you. June irritated. Jin Hyang, will you handle your baby? Jin, T-Bear, sit down quietly. Don't disturb him. T poked his index finger on June's shoulder. You got scared, nah? Titi is so strong. Everyone gets scared from Titi. Try to open the window. June held his hand. You can't open the window. Sit here quietly. T. Why would Titi sit? Titi will dance. Started dancing. Yungi, Hyang. Jin, T-Bear, you can dance at home too. I will dance along with you, but now sit here. T. Oti. Hyang stopped him for opening the window, but he was T who never listened to anyone. He opened a window and saying bye-bye to everyone while waving his hand whom he met. June quickly pulled him inside because he hanging on the edge. It was dark outside. Jin quickly closed the window. June slapped him, not so hard, but T started crying loudly. June, will you sit here now or you want me to tie you? T quickly sat on his seat. Jin, see. June, stop winning. Has your hangover gone or not? T covered his face by his hands. Gone. June looked at Jimin. And yours? Jimin, I didn't drink, so how will I get hangover? Went to Jin and hugged him tightly. June, that's good. Yungi, June, you should did this when we picked them. Now finally I get some peace. Hurriedly put the brakes. Jin, what happened, Yungi? Yungi, a child came. Wait, let me check him. Jin, be careful. Yungi, Yungi stepped down from the car and first checked here and there. There was no one except a little boy who was angrily looking at him with furious eyes. Yungi, hey kid, move aside from the middle. Can't you see car is coming? Boy went closer to him and stomped his foot on Yungi's. You meow meow. Cookie can see. Cookie's eyes are working, but you can't meow meow. Yungi, meow meow. Who meow meow? Cook, you meow meow. And who? Yungi, I'm not a meow meow. Move aside. I have to go. About to go. Cook ran on his way and held Yungi's long cape. Where will you go, meow meow? You can't go anywhere without clearing Cookie's account. Yungi, I don't have any debt. Cook, and what about meow meow fell Cookie's corn? Yungi, corn? Cook, yes, corn. Don't you know corn is super tasty? Lick his lips. It has ice cream too. Meow Meow still didn't understand. Peace found himself. What type of dumb person are you? Held his hand and dragged him his previous bliss. See, it was Meow Cookie's corn which Meow Meow dirtied. Yoongi, listen kid, I don't have time to argue with you. Move aside. Cook bite his hand. Don't you dare to go anywhere. Cookie has sharp teeth. Cookie will bite you again. Showed his teeth. Cook, Yoongi. What do you want from me? Can't you understand? I have to go somewhere urgently. Cook, first get Cookie a corn. Then Cookie will let Meow Meow go. Yoongi put the amount on Cookie's baby hands. Here is some money. You can buy at least 100 corns by this. Now let me go. Cook took a coin from his pocket and put in Yoongi's palm. Don't show money power to Cookie. See, Cookie also has money. Go and buy only one corn for Cookie. They both were arguing and everyone came there and found both were fighting like children. It's very hard to identify who is children, adult in them. Jin, what's happening here? June, Yang, they didn't let us go. Jimin whispered to T, this boy is so courageous. See how he's arguing with Yoongi Yang. T whispered back, Winnie, this boy is very useful for us. Should we kidnap him and take him as our shield? If he can argue with Yoongi Yang, then he can argue with Jun Yang too. Jimin, you are right. He is so cute. T, let's talk with his parents. Hobi went to Jungkook and separated them. Enough guys, you both are fighting in middle of the road. Please use your brain. Cook looked at Hobi. Squirrel! Cookie used his brain, but this Meow Meow lost his brain. Go and find it. Hobi, squirrel? Jungi, yeah, I'm Meow Meow. He's a squirrel. He is June koala. He is Jimin chick. He is T bear. He is Jin hamster. And you are bunny. We all aren't human. We are walking soup, right? Everyone got shocked to see his outburst. First time they saw Yoongi this much frustrated. Hobi quickly rubbed Yoongi's back. Hobi, Yang, calm down. He is a little kid. Yoongi looked at him. It's your misconception. He isn't a kid. He's a monster. In just few seconds, he blocked my all the senses. June looked at Cook. Kid, what happened? Why aren't you letting him go? Cook looked at him. Big body, this Meow Meow made Cookie's corn fall. Now Cookie wants new corn. June, it's okay. I will get you a corn, okay? Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie. Meow Meow will get corn for Cookie. Jin placed his hand on Yoongi's shoulder. Go and get a corn. Yoongi, but Yang, Jin, don't argue and get a corn for him, otherwise he will not let us go. Yoongi, okay, fine. Left to buy a corn for Cookie. Soon Yoongi came back with a corn and gave to Cook. Cook quickly took the corn and became happy. Hobi wants to take his pic, so he was posing near the car and Yoongi was clicking his pic. He was looking so cute. Yoongi heard a slow tick-tick voice was coming from the car. He understood and screamed loudly to move everyone away. He quickly pulled Cookie to himself and his corn fell on the car's bonnet. Cookie ran to pick that. Their car blast. Yoongi pulled back Cook on time, but he got badly injured. Blood was flowing from his body. Everyone got shocked. Yoongi quickly picked him in his arms and ran to nearby hospital. Everyone pulled out there and covered Yoongi and women. June called his men and brought protection. Time skipped after some times. Doctors were checking him and Yangs were waiting outside. Women were scared to see blood and Their men covered the hospital. June and Gopi were talking with their men and telling them how to take revenge. Yoongi was looking at the ICU without blinking his eyes. Jin was with women and telling them their real identity. Jin, mafia. Jin, we all are mafias. Dad was a mafia too. But you are empty. We went to our company so many times. Jin, yes, that is mom's company. We are hidden mafias. Nobody knows about it. We were going to tell you this, but before that, this incident happened. Jimin, that means that blast had done by your enemy. Jin, that was for me. They want to kill me to make Yoongi weak. If Cookie hadn't argued with Yoongi and we were involved in them, then by now none of us was alive. Yoongi by looking at Cookie. That means this little annoying kid saved us. We all are indebted to him. We owe him. We will not let any stone unturned to give him everything. Men looked at the hospital. This hospital is looking so expensive. Woman, that boy didn't get any place to die by so much difficulty as we were going to free from his responsibility. But see, he will not let us die peacefully. The couple was Cookie's relative who wanna get rid away from Cookie's responsibility. They happily took his property. When Hanks found out about this, then they brought Cookie from him by giving them extra amount. June gave Cookie blood. Cookie was out of danger but had so many injuries which takes months to recover. Cookie lost his memory too, which was good for Hanks to take care of him. Within 2 hours, June took the revenge of the accident. Don't worry, we will continue this story in one shot like Jimin's heart problem story. Everything happens in this world for a reason which we may not understand now, but in future we understand. The one who is protected by the God can't be harmed by anyone. God will come in any form just to protect that person. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Nothing happens in the world without any reason. Everything happens for a reason which we know in future. God wants to protect Mafia family, so he came in form of Cookie and made them busy in argument with him. And because of that, their rivals' plan to them had failed. But Cookie got injured badly. There was a good thing in this too. If he hadn't injured that badly, then he wouldn't get his new family. So sometimes bad things also can be blessing for future. Both Cookie and Mafia family saved each other's life. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.